Smoking the hashtag Pray for Madrid. Hijo de puta. Let's go, guys. Vamos. Vamos. Pray for Madrid and that. Combined 11s are going to be out, guys. Top Gooners are going to be waxing lyrical. Why am I so high up? Whoops, I'm even higher. Top Gooners are going to be waxing lyrical. Oh, they're rubbish. They skanked their way through. Rob that lady. Rob that lady. Cool. Heads up. On to the next. What face is Ancelotti in? Because I keep getting told he's washed. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. That's up to everybody who tuned in for the watch along. It was more of a Real Madrid away to Atleti Madrid watch along. However, I did watch both games simultaneously. Raheem the Dream, who knew he could actually cook a fullback and a winger at the same time and put a ball on a plate? Man like Declan. Man like Declan, bruv. The politician. Bless up to everyone who watched the watch along, because I thought the numbers would be dead tonight. I can't lie. You know, I thought they'd be dead. And listen, you showed me mad love. I want to say thank you very much for the love always. Yeah, like listen, nearly 120. It's over 119 now, 119.1. Yeah. So listen, bless up. Yeah. This year's been fire already. Yeah. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. I know I always say, oh, I'll put it in the title, and I always forget. This time I'm not forgetting, because we will be there tomorrow for Bilbao. That's teasy. We will be there for Bilbao versus Roma. And Bilbao got some work to do. We will be there for the demise of Top Spurs and Manchester United. I'm also on with Troops tomorrow. All that is a pre-record. The show with Rants is at 3 p.m. Live and direct on here. Couldn't do it on Tuesday. And then back-to-back watch-alongs. So, yeah, plenty of content coming up. But listen, hashtag Pray for Madrid. And we have to play the clip. I mean, come on. We have to play the clip. Smash the likes up, guys. Come on. We have to play the clip, guys. I mean, it would be so wrong of me not to play this clip. And Kenny's up next as well. It's Kenny's birthday today. Well, it's gone midnight now, so it's not his birthday, but the 12th is his birthday. And he's seen us draw 2-2. But it's only fair.
Why are we counting Champions Leagues? Let's actually go through a combined 11. Courtois is injured, so I'm going to go David Raya. They don't have a left back of quality, so I'm going to go Zinchenko. Center back pairing, I'm going to go Gabriel and Saliba. I don't think any of their center backs are better than ours. It's a toss-up between Carvajal and Ben White, but I'd rather have Ben White. The midfield, Declan Rice is a defensive midfielder, no debate.
No debate.
Jude Bellingham is also in, no debate. And it comes down to Modric or Martin Odegaard, and I pick Martin Odegaard. I think Vinicius has been poor this season, so I'm going to go Rodrigo, Saka, and Gabriel Jesus. Let me know what you think.
Why are we counting Champions Leagues, guys? I mean, there's no point counting Champions League. Let's just see how many of our players we can shoehorn into the team. Listen, real talk, I've seen Top Gooners already waxing lyrical. Oh, Saka will be back for the second leg. Real talk, we're dusted. Yeah, the performance tonight, listen, I'll touch on that because obviously this is a fan cam for that game. I thought Sterling was quality tonight. Yeah, I thought Rice played well. Yeah, Tierney, man of the match, my baller, sub to a standing ovation. And it is what it is. Yeah, I'm surprised a little bit at the starting 11 tonight. I thought we would have seen Neto in goal. I knew we'd see either one of Saliba or Gabriel. Yeah, I thought it would have been Saliba. He normally chooses Saliba in some of these lesser games. But again, this is what it is. Their second goal, by the way, was class. Yeah, both our goals were class. Yeah, Zinchenko, boom, banged it. Yeah, he played well tonight. Yeah, but at the same time, yeah, Skelly as well. But at the same time, this is what happens there when you actually mix things up. Yes, I know we didn't win the game. We already won the game. It was a dead rubber. Yeah, it was just, let's just get through the night with no injuries, and then we can sit back. Oh, they've gone extra time. Cool. Well, we'll sit in the change rooms and watch this unfold then. Yeah, and I'll be honest, Madrid skanked their way through. But we've seen our entire lives Madrid do exactly the same. I don't know why anyone's surprised. People can sit there and waffle about, oh, it's harsh. Alvarez double touch. He double touched it. Yeah, we've all seen the clips. We've all seen where they've zoomed in on it. Yeah, we're in for a hard game. Yeah, don't rule that club out. When they were sat like 26th, 27th, 30th, and all that in the group stage, everyone was, ha ha ha, Lee, ha, you've jinxed Madrid. Cool. Whatever. Now let's see how good we actually are. Because we ain't got a striker. People are begging for Saka to be back. I swear, please don't bring Saka back. I do not want Saka back the rest of this season. If we bring that lad back for the rest of this season, sorry to break it to you guys. And we have a great success rate, unfortunately, in predicting things. He'll be finished. His career will be done. He'll be another Michael Owen. So, as mad as it sounds, because he is our best player in terms of output, I want to see him again this season, mate. Yeah, let him rest, recuperate. He's had 4 or 5 years non-stop. Non-stop. This manager now has to coach against one of the greatest coaches of all time, who's won the Gary Lineker, the big ears, the Dumbo. He's won it 7 times, twice as a player and 5 times as a manager. They scammed their way through, but this is what Real Madrid do. I'm a poet, I fully know it. They do it all the time. They hang on for dear life. And I've said this, football heritage, Jose told us years ago, when you're going clean through, like Correa did, well, he didn't go clean through, but Correa was in, yeah, and he took the shot. He should have squared it to Alvarez and cut it back. Alvarez scores. That's in normal time, last minute, 3 minutes to go, whatever it was. Instead, he takes the shot. Then when Oblak boots the ball out in extra time and he takes that silky touch, he decides to square it back. No, that's when you shoot, bruv. Decision making. We've seen Real Madrid do this our entire lives, and people still doubt Real Madrid. Yeah. Unai Emery got through tonight. Didn't expect anything less. And don't sleep on them either, because I think they're going to give PSG a tougher game than Liverpool did. Oh, what are you talking about, Gunner? You're waffling. Yeah, whatever, mate. We're seeing it. We'll see. Because Liverpool have got less technically gifted players in their team than Aston Villa. However, Liverpool are the best team in the league. That's not a diss at Liverpool. But when you've got the likes of Tillemans, you've got the likes of Ross Barkley, you've got the likes of Asenzo. I think he can play. Correct me if I'm wrong. Leave it in the chat. Yeah. When you've got the likes of Rodgers, and Ramsey and players like that, John McGinn, they're very technically gifted. Yeah. And that's how Liverpool got undone. We see it. We watched it unfold. Liverpool should have got banged about 5-0 over the 2 legs. Let's just be real with it. Aston Villa ain't getting slapped like that. Yeah, he's going to play the dirtiest low block you've ever seen. Yeah, and we've seen this manager in Europe, yeah, go and beat Juve 3-0 away. We've seen him beat Nagelsmann's Bayern Munich 2-1 on aggregate, 2 shots on target in 2 legs. Bang, bang. This guy always gets the strikers clinical. Yeah, and he can stink a game out if he has to. So I wouldn't be sleeping on Aston Villa beating PSG. However, I don't see this manager that we have beating Ancelotti. I just genuinely don't see it. Yeah, hopefully I'm wrong. But then if we get Aston Villa or PSG, let's say we get Aston Villa, we're now in the Champions League semi-final against our former manager. The math ain't mathing, lads and lasses and non-binaries. Yeah, because this manager, last semi-final we played against him was with Villarreal and he pulled our pants down. With Danjuma and Chukwueze and Capoue and Coquelin and Juan Foyth, Raul Albiol. Yeah, like Moreno, like what are we doing here? Like, don't rule them out. Then you look on the other side of the draw and you're like, Inter Bayern, Barca Dortmund. You'd imagine that Barca are going through. Inter Bayern, I'd imagine Inter are going through. Now it's Barca, Inter. This is not going to be easy to win. And I'll be honest, we're out. And on that bombshell, I'm out. Kenny Ken's up next. bless up to everyone who shows love to this channel. Lee Reacts link will be in the title. Kenny's next, and I'm going live emergency meeting. Northside's going to jump on. Rashid's going to jump on. Texted Gal. He hasn't replied. I imagine he's sleeping. DJ B is going to jump on. I've just seen his text. So yeah, we will be there, guys, and we're going to talk about this. But listen, bless up to all of you guys. Love always. Smash a like, sub to Lee Reacts. Hashtag pray for Madrid and that. You know what I'm saying? Bring it on.